Okay, and you guys all have this sheet. I mean, it's just read, so I'll repeat it, but if you want to look at it while you're talking, it's up to you. Could you all raise your right hand, please? You're going to take the oath, okay? Everyone has to be sworn in. We all had to do this. It's cool. Okay, so just repeat after me. I swear. That I will perform the duties of which I have to.
This is all on camera.
Josh screwed it up too. It's okay.
Yeah, he's definitely doing it.
Let's redo this whole thing. Okay, I state your name. Please.
Don't say that.
But state your real name.
Wow.
This is going well.
It's gonna be a great year.
Because I messed it up. Just say I and then state your name. All at the same time. Go ahead.
I, Jim Reinbach,
Swear that I will perform.
swear that I will perform
Will perform the duties
to
which I have been appointed.
which I have been appointed
And uphold the Constitution.
and uphold the Constitution